In this video, you'll learn how to put a small number above text in Google Docs using a simple built-in feature called superscript. This is really useful when you're writing things like mathematical expressions, footnotes, citations, or even chemical formulas, and you want certain numbers to appear slightly above the regular line of text. Let's start right from the document. First, type the number you want to appear above the text, just like you would type any other character. For example, if you're writing something like H2O, go ahead and type the 2 on your keyboard. At this stage, it's going to look like a normal number sitting on the same line as the rest of your text, which is exactly what we want before we apply the formatting. Once the number is typed, the next step is to highlight it in Google Docs. To do this, move your cursor to the number, click and drag over it, or if the cursor is directly next to the number, you can simply double-click it to select it. You'll know it's highlighted when the number is shown with a colored background, typically blue, or another accent color, depending on your theme. Make sure that only the number is highlighted and not any extra spaces or letters around it. This helps keep the superscript formatting clean and precise. Now that your number is selected, you're ready to turn it into superscript. Look toward the top of the screen in Google Docs and find the main menu bar. Click on the menu labeled Format. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to how your text looks. Move your mouse down to the option labeled Text. Another side menu will appear. In that list, click on Superscript. As soon as you select superscript, you'll see your highlighted number jump slightly upward and become a bit smaller than the regular text. That indicates that the superscript formatting has been applied correctly. This is exactly what you want for things like exponents, such as x squared, or references like C note 1, where the 1 appears above the line. If you want to keep typing normally after that number, just click anywhere else in your document to deselect it and continue typing. Google Docs will automatically return to regular text formatting for anything you type after the superscripted number. If you ever need to remove the superscript, simply highlight that number again, go back to Format, then Text, and click Superscript one more time to toggle it off. A helpful tip is that once you're comfortable with this method, you can also apply superscript to letters or symbols in exactly the same way. Just type the character, highlight it, and use the Format, Text, superscript path. It works consistently across your entire document, so you can format multiple numbers one after another by repeating these same steps, and that's all there is to it. You type the number, highlight it, and then click Format Text Superscript. With just these 3 simple actions, you can make your documents look much more professional and clear whenever you need small numbers above your text in Google Docs.